Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Sajid here, your friendly neighborhood finance guide. Today, we are tackling one of the biggest myths out there that you need a lot of money to start investing. Spoiler alert, you don't. Now, if you have been thinking, I can't even afford that extra cheese crust pizza, how am I supposed to invest? Then this video is for you. Trust me, even small steps can lead to big results over time. We will talk about how to start investing even if you are on a tight budget, and yes, I will sprinkle some laugh along the way. Let's go. The first segment is why start investing early. First things first, let's talk about why investing is important. Investing isn't about becoming a millionaire overnight, it's about making your money work harder than you. Think of it this way: your saving account is like that one lazy friend who is just chilling. Investing, that's the gym buddy who lifts weights and gets stronger over time. Also, let's not forget the power of compounding. Compounding is basically the snowball effect of money, except this snowball doesn't melt. It just keeps getting bigger. Start early, and even a small amount can turn into something huge over the years. But remember, the key is patience. Not Netflix binge patience, but long term patience. The second segment is basic rule before you start. Alright, before we dive into where to invest, let's talk about a few ground rules. Think of this as your financial safety helmet and a knee pad. The first is emergency fund first. Don't touch investing until you have got at least 3 to 6 months of expenses saved up. Why? Because life happens. Your phone breaks, you need a doctor, or maybe you accidentally agree to host a destination wedding. Who knows? Clear high interest debt. If you're carrying credit card debt with 30% interest, investing is like trying to fill a bucket with a hole. Plug the hole first. Start small. You don't need rupees 50,000 to start. Even rupees 500 a month is a good start because consistency is more important than the amount. The third segment is low income friendly investment options. Now, let's get to the good stuff. Where to invest? Here are some low cost beginner friendly options. The first is index fund or a mutual fund. Index funds sound fancy, but it's just a collection of the top companies in the stock market. Think of it like a thali. You get a bit of everything, and for as little as rupees 500 a month through SIPs, you can own a piece of that thali. The second is PPF, Provident, Public Provident Fund. This is the OG saving tool. It's safe, gives great tax benefit, and has a decent interest rate. Plus, your money is locked in, so no impulsive shopping stress. The third is digital gold. Buying physical gold is so last century. With apps, you can buy digital gold for as little as rupees 1. It's shiny, it's valuable, and it doesn't take up space in your closet. Fourth is stocks. If you have got a slightly higher risk appetite, start with blue chip stocks, basically the Tatas and the Reliance of the world. But remember, stock market investment is like cricket. Don't swing widely, play calculated shots. See, that's what happens when you invest without research. The fourth segment is risk management. Here's a golden rule: never put all your money in one place. Diversify. Think of your investment like a biryani. Don't overdo the spices, or you will ruin the dish. Allocate a portion to safe investment like PPF or fixed deposit, and the rest to the higher risk option like mutual funds or a stock. Also, don't invest money you will need soon. If you're planning to buy an iPhone in 3 months, that's not investment money. That's splurge money. The fifth segment is tools and apps to get started. Now you will be like, you're just saying the tools. Why not the procedure to invest? So we will be looking to the complete procedure in my upcoming videos. Till then, subscribe. Now, you are probably wondering, how do I actually start? Simple: use apps like Zerodha, Upstocks, Grow, or Paytm Money. They are beginner friendly and you can start with just a few clicks. For SIPs in mutual funds, app like ET Money are great. For stock, stick to a trusted broker. And for PPF or digital gold, your regular bank's app will do the trick. Basically, the apps do all the heavy lifting. You just have to show up. Now, moving to the sixth segment of our video, closing tips and encouragement. Here's the thing. You don't need to be rich to start investing, but you do need to be disciplined. Start small, stay consistent, and remember it's a marathon, not a sprint. And one more thing, don't let fear stop you. Everyone starts somewhere, and even the most successful investors were clueless at first. So take the first step today. Future you will thank you for it. That's it for today's video. Dudes, if this helped you feel a little more confident about starting your investment journey, smash that like button and subscribe to Finance First with Ellie. And hey, leave a comment below. What's the first investment you're planning to make? I'd love to know. Until next time, remember, it's not about how much you start with, it's about starting at all. See you in the next video. Until then, subscribe.